Today we talk about how can you change or add your display name on your Reddit app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this photo, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on my profile. So when you click here on my profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on edit here. So when you click on edit, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on display name here. So then here can you add your display name. So if you have it, can you here can you find it in changes. So when you add your display name, just go up or save, click on it, then it's going to save. Sorry, it's I'm going to add this display name, and you click here on save, then it's going to save video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.